Now, one extra feature the V50 has, it is the quietest robot vacuum cleaner I've tested. There's something going on with these drive wheels. See, when I move it, you can't hear it. These have motorized wheels. You know, these aren't loud when they're working, like mopping and vacuuming, but this one is just, you don't get wheel noise, that like motor noise. It is super quiet. You'll just hear this. They must be like brushless or something. But, and when it's mopping only, you can barely hear it. Now, when it's vacuuming and mopping, you'll hear the vacuum part of it. It's not loud. The P10 is probably the loudest of these three. And as you pay more money, that's typically what happens. They can get these things quieter.